Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect a domain to Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. As first up, log into your Shopify account. Now go ahead over to the bottom left, click on settings. Or if it's selected once, it allows scroll all the way down until you find domains. All right. So just click on it. And then once done, at the top right, you have the option to buy a new domain or connect an existing domain. Click on the drop down and you also have the option to transfer a domain. So just click on connect existing domain. Okay, for example, yourbrand.com. Okay, and then after that, just click on next. And it will say domain added. Now after that, just follow the basic prompts right here under need setup. Okay, you can scroll down, update the DNS record right here. And everything will be listed, just like log into your provider and open DNS management for this domain, and then add this record to verify the domain ownership. Just copy it, and once done, I updated DNS records, then follow the DNS propagation right here, and then the TLS certificate provisioning. And once done, you are good to go. All you got to do is just wait up to 48 hours for global internet service to update, though it usually takes only for a few minutes. Okay. And then once you're verified, you can now change your primary domain at the settings. And you go ahead and go back to settings right here, and then domains. You can now then go ahead and change this one. Okay. You can delete the other, use this one instead. And that's how easy it is to connect a domain to Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.